Dumpster rental service in Buford, Georgia. North Point Dumpsters is your go-to provider for affordable, reliable dumpster rental service in Buford, Georgia. Whether you're planning a home renovation or running a construction project, we have the right dumpster for the job. We understand how important it is to have a clean, organized workspace. To keep your project moving, we offer fast delivery and timely pickups. No matter the size of your job, we have a dumpster that fits your needs. Our bins are ideal for everything from yard waste to demolition debris. With online booking and helpful customer service, we simplify the rental process. There are no hidden fees, just honest pricing and dependable service. Our local roots mean we understand what our customers need and expect. We aim to exceed those expectations every time. We'll help you choose the right size and schedule your rental to fit your timeline. It's all part of our commitment to outstanding service. Need assistance? We're always available to answer your questions and guide you through the process. Call us today at 470-983-1028 to reserve your dumpster. Let's finish your cleanup right, on time, and on budget.